up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We're in the Beamer right now, and it's pretty much been just about a year and almost a half since we had this car, man. And I figured, I was like, why don't I just give you guys a quick little year review while I'm about to go get this car washed, because apparently she never washed her car. You know, if I don't wash it, it won't get washed. She'll just park it and drive it and hop in it whenever she wants. So we're about to go get her car washed real quick. After that, I'll just go over the car with you really quick, show you how's it been for the last year, and if we had any problems or not. You know, we'll go from there. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and tell me what's up right now in the comments, man. Appreciate it. Good looking out. What's so funny is they was telling me, a lot of y'all was telling me back in the day when I was on the Harley a lot, when I first got it, y'all was like, man, why you got the mask on? Take the mask off. Now all of a sudden everybody got masks on and stuff. That's so funny. But yeah, guys, we are at the car wash right now getting her car all cleaned up, because literally she never comes and take her car to get washed. So we getting our car washed right now. This is the baby mobile. I got the car about a year ago in like March. Basically right after we had our little baby or whatever. So she's mine's like about a year old, like a year and some months now. So I literally got it right after that. I got it for her because she had like an older, like a 06 BMW like 3 Series or something like that, and it was just like, up until when we had the baby, it was just giving us little problems here and there, and I just couldn't take that chance of having her like riding around and then not knowing if it was gonna be reliable or not. So what did I do? I bought her another BMW. But I mean, it is what it is. It's a pretty cool car. It cleans up really nicely. The interior and everything is still excellent quality. Don't mind the gas, man. We always get gas when we on EE. But anyways, we got the car at about, I want to say right under 70,000 miles. So we put about 15,000 miles on it. Got 85,000 miles now. And this thing is running pretty good. We haven't really had any issues or nothing like that. We only had one thing go wrong. But we do got the sunroof. We do got some cool little features up here. No big deal. Pretty much like any other BMW, it's all the same. But pretty nice car, man. We're actually looking to trade it in and get something a little bit newer. This is a 2013 BMW 328i. So we are looking to trade up for like an SUV type truck or something like that. Something similar to the Infinity truck we had a while back. So we'll see how it goes, man. Alrighty, guys. We are here, man. We got the 2013 BMW 328i. I bought it about a year and a half ago with 69,000 miles from CarMax for like 13,000 or something like that. It's just been about a year and a half, man. Pretty decent car all around. I can't really complain too much. Yeah, guys, we haven't really had any problems with this bad boy. Literally the only problem that we had was I guess she had let her sister or mom or somebody borrow the car to go to LA, and on the way back, I guess like one of the like the oil pan cover or something like that, either the valve cover or the engine oil cover had a crack in it, so it was like smoking when they brought it back. And we thought it was something like really serious and like really major, but it was like literally like a hairline crack that had oil dripping on like the exhaust and stuff like that. So it was smoking when they brought it back. That itself was like $1,000 fix, like no cap, a whole $1,000 fix. And we had literally just got the car. Luckily we had the money to, you know, replace the part. But you know, after that, we haven't had any problems at all. We've been getting oil changes regularly and everything like that. We can just take a quick look. You just take a quick look in the car. Does have some nice black leather interior, really good condition. Like I told you guys, we've been using this car all year. I got this car for my girl right after we had our baby and stuff. So our kid is like about a little bit more than a year old now. It does have the sunroof, and we've been just using that for mainly the family car. But it's time for something bigger and better now, man. We had this car for a year. So I'm trying to figure out what truck I want to get her next. I want to get her like a little SUV or something. I don't know if I want to get her the Lexus. I believe it's like RX 200 or something like that. Or another Infinity like the one we got from the auction. I can get like a FX or something like that. Nice Infinity for pretty cheap. So I don't know. It's this car is getting small. You know, we've had it for a while. We enjoyed it. No problems, like no real problems or anything like that. So that's a plus. But yeah, man, what y'all think about the BMW at a year review, man? 85,000 miles. A real good, reliable car. No issues or nothing like that. And it's really good on gas. So you guys let me know what you think about it in the comments below, man. If you guys got a 328i or a 3 Series in general, let me know your mileage and some of the problems you might have came across with it. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. It's pretty dope, man. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below, G. Now that we got that out the way, man, we riding on rocks right now. Oop. And the car stopped. Wow. Yeah, so we're riding on rocks right now. Hopefully, yeah, we don't get a flat tire, because I am not trying to buy her a new tire. Looks like we're good, man. Back in the wet, man. All in all, besides that little smoking we had, like the little engine cover, the little oil pan, besides the oil pan crack, man, we've been enjoying this car. It's been a really good, reliable car for the most part. Just don't let nobody else drive your car, because it's like when we drive it, nothing happens. It's nothing. When somebody else drive it, they bring it back smoking. So, you know, just be cautious. Don't let nobody drive your whip, and you'll be good and have a reliable BMW 3 Series. Again, we're right at 85,000 miles. I'm sure some of you guys is a lot lower than mine, but you know, it is what it is. What y'all think about it though, let me know in the comments below. Y'all just see how clean this thing look compared to any other day, boy. I swear she don't ever wash this thing, but it does look good. And it's crazy, y'all. We got way more i8s in the building than any other car in here. Like, we have no matching Camaro. We have like 1 or 2 more of these, but literally more i8s than every other car in here. So pretty nice whip, man. What y'all think?